Hi dear friends, how are you? So this is another video of idioms which are going to help you to improve your English every day. So the first is eat my shots. What does it mean? It means to dismiss someone, or you can say disrespectfully saying someone to go away, which is obviously not a good idea to talk to someone, because you have to be polite in every way, whether you are angry or whether you are happy. So if you want to say that go away, then you could say eat my shots. Next is taking the mickey, means making fun of someone or mocking someone. Like you can say they are taking the mickey out of me. Why next is sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil means time to get serious or be ready for the coming task or be ready for what's coming, right? So that what you meant by sharpen your pencil. Next is not my circus, not my monkeys. It means it's none of my business at all. Like if you want to show someone that you're not interested or you have not a little bit concern to that stuff, then you can say it's not my circus, it's not my monkeys, right? That's how you use this phrase, this idiom. Next is put your money where your mouth is. It means don't just say stuff, you have to do it. Means you have to prove your point by doing it. Means to support your belief. Don't just randomly talk about stuff, you have to do it, right? So that's what you meant by put your money where your mouth is. Why next is hold your horses. So hold your horses means have some patience. Like don't just hurry for stuff, don't just hurry for things to happen. You have to be a little bit patient to things, right? The very next and last is dressed to the nines. It means to dress up extremely well or dress up very nicely for some occasion. He dressed to the nines for this party, right? That's how you use this phrase. And the last thing that I'm gonna say that I've always say in my videos is just practice English, because it's not something that you can learn. You have to practice, only then you can be a good speaker, good talk person, right? So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.